Hello, I am Mr. Kadganchi from Siddheshwar Prashala, Solapur. First of all, I'll thanks that you all are subscribing my videos. Those who are not subscribed, so please subscribe it. And now we are going to start the standard 10th, chapter number 3, that is Maths 1, arithmetic progression. From this arithmetic progression, we have studied the practice set 3.1, 3.2. Now we are going to see the practice set 3.3. Before going to see the practice set 3.3, we will see that how the formula has been described. First, that is Carl Gauss has been shown that how the sum of the sequence is done. That is Sn is equal to here 1, 2, 3, 4 dash 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 up to 100. The sum of the 100 number that we are going to see now here. Thus, first it is written in the increasing order, and second time it is written in the decreasing order. That is 100 plus 99 plus 98 plus 97 plus 1. The number below we have written. Now we have added this all. That is these two number 100 plus 101. These two we have added. That is 101. These two we have added. That is 101. These two we have added, that is 101. Again here also it is added, that is 101. This 101 addition is for 100 times. So 101 into 100, the total we got that 10,100. This is in 2 times. So Sn is equal to 10,100. So Sn is equal to 10,100 divided by 2. So we have did the division. After dividing, we will get that Sn is equal to 5050, that is 5050. So here, how to sum the given sequence that we have seen. Hello, now we are seeing now here sum of the first n term of an arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is given a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, dash dash dash, a plus n minus 1d. That is a first term, second term, third term, fourth term, and this is an nth term. So now here first term a is a first term, common difference d is there. The sum of arithmetic progression, it is denoted by Sn. So Sn is equal to sum of these terms, that is a plus d plus a plus 2d plus dash 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 plus dash 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 plus a plus in bracket n minus 2d bracket complete plus a plus n minus 1 d bracket complete. This term is enough which comes before that. Now Sn second time we are writing in the reverse way. There is below this a plus n minus 1 d plus this a plus n minus 1 n minus 2 d plus dash 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 a plus d and this plus a. Now we are adding this. Sn plus Sn, that is 2Sn, is equal to a plus a to a plus n minus 1 d plus a that is a plus a to a. Now here how this comes? This here d plus nd minus 2d. D minus 2d, that is a minus d. So here n minus 1 into d. This how it came here that we have shown. Plus dash 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 2a. Here also the how it got it here the same method. You will get n minus 1d plus a plus a to a plus n minus 1 bracket complete, that is in a d. This we have seen now. Now this is written as an n term. So we have multiplied to get the total of that. N into in bracket 2a plus in bracket n minus 1 bracket complete d. These two shifted to the other side. So it becomes Sn is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 bracket complete d. This is an formula to find the sum. The same formula we can write it in this way also. See now here, Sn is equal to n upon 2 in bracket this 2a, it is written in this way, a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore Sn is equal to n upon 2 bracket a, that is in the first term, that is in a t1 you can write, plus this whatever I will underline by a red pen. Now here a plus in bracket n minus 1 bracket complete d, this is an nth term, that is an tn. This either this formula according to our need, according to our example that we are considering the formula. You can remove the screenshot and you can write in your notebook. This is given on the page number 69 of your textbook, and below that one solved example is also there. That is also you can write in your notebook so that you will get the practice for that. Now, so page number 70, there are some solved example. Those solved example also you can write in your notebook. And one activity is given on this page number 71. I think so you can do it yourself. That is an easy one. So directly we will go to the practice set 3.3. We are going to see the practice set 3.3 now. From that example number 1, the first of an arithmetic progression. The first term of an arithmetic progression is 6 and the common difference is 3. Then find S27. Here first term, that is equal to A, it is given 6 and common difference D is given 3. D is given 3. Then find S27. S27 is equal to question mark. We know the formula. Sn is equal to n upon 2 in bracket a, that is 2a plus in bracket n minus 1 into d. This is our formula. There is some formula it is. By using this formula we are keeping the value now. N value is at 27. So S27 is equal to n is at 27 upon 2 in bracket 2 into a is 6 plus n is at 27 minus 1 into d is 3 bracket complete, which is equal to 27 upon 2 in bracket 2 that is 2 6 are 12 plus 27 minus 1 is an 26 into 3, which is equal to 27 upon 2 in bracket 12 plus 3 6 are 18, carry 1 3 to the 6 and 1 7, that is an 78. Therefore Sn is equal to S27 is equal to S27 is equal to this 27 upon 2 as it is. And now you are going to add now here, that is an 12 plus 78, that is 8 9 10, carry 1 7 8 and 1 9, that is an 90 you will get. So you can cancel this. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So S27 is equal to 27 into 45, that is S27 is equal to 27 into 45 is an 1215. It was an activity in your test, that is an textbook. It is given where there is a box that you can do the box there so that you can complete the activity. Here one box is there and here one box is there and here one box is there. Here the activity is done completed. Now you can take that screenshot and write in your notebook. Now second example, find the sum of the first 123 even natural numbers. We know the even natural numbers. Now here 2, 4, 6 dash 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 are the even natural numbers. So here A is equal to 2, common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1, which is equal to 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2, that is T3 minus T2, which is equal to 6 minus 4, that is equal to 2. Then D is equal to, here we got D is equal to 2 we got. Now N is equal to, that is an even natural numbers are 123. We are finding the sum of the 123 even natural numbers. So here Sn, we know the formula now. Sn is equal to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is our formula. Now put the values. S123 is equal to 123 upon 2, bracket complete. 2 into a value is a 2 plus n is a 123 minus 1 into d is 2, bracket complete, which is equal to 123 upon 2 in bracket, this 2 2s are 4 plus 123 minus 1, that is 122 into 2. If we multiply, this will get 123 upon 2 into 4 plus 441, that is 144. So here we are going to add that now, that is S123 is equal to this 123 upon 2 into 4 plus 144, that is 148. So here that is 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, that is 244 will get. So here we will get, that is 248. 248. Now do the cancellation. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. So S123 is equal to 123 into 124. This both you are going to multiply. After multiplying, we will get that 15252. That is S123. This is a sum of the 123 even natural number. So you can get the screenshot. Now third example, find the sum of all even number between 1 to 350. The even number between 1 to 350 is 2, 4, 6, 8 dash 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 350 as 348. 349 is that is an odd number, and we want the between the 1 to 350. So these are the even numbers from 1 to 350. Now here A is equal to 2, that is nothing but it is T1 is equal to, now common difference D is T2 minus T1, which is equal to 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2. Again one we can see T3 minus T2, which is equal to 6 minus 4, that is equal to 2. That is a common difference, D is equal to 2 we can see. Now here n, that is Tnth term. Nth term it is given, that is Tn is equal to 348. The n here it is not given, that n you are going to find it. So for that one formula is there, Tn is equal to Tn is equal to A plus in bracket 1 n minus 1 into D. This is a formula to find the n formula. Now you can keep the value. Tn is in a 348, which is equal to A is in a 2 plus n that we don't know minus 1 into D is 2. Now 348, I'll write in this way now. 2 in bracket n minus 1 is equal to 348 minus 2. This plus 2 shifted to the other side, it becomes minus 2. So 2 in bracket n minus 1 is equal to 348 minus 2, that is 346. So now here n minus 1 is equal to 346 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14, 2 threes are 6, that is 173. So here again I will write it here, remaining part. N is equal to 173. This minus 1 shifted to the other side, it becomes plus 1. So n is equal to 174. Now when we will get the n, you can find the Sn. You can use the other formula now here, where Sn is equal to n upon 2 in bracket. Here the first term is given, so T1 plus nth term is also given, so Tn plus Tn. By using this formula also we can find the nth term. Now here n is equal to 174 is there. Yes, 174 is equal to 174 upon 2 in bracket. T1 is an 2 plus Tn is an given, that is an 348. Here the cancellation is possible, so we are doing the cancellation. 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16, 1 remain, 2 7s are 14. Yes, 174 is equal to 87 into, add this now, 5 and this 350. So now multiply this. Yes, 174 is equal to 87 into 350. The multiplication here we will get that 30450. This is the sum of that. Yes, 174. So you can take the screenshot and write in your notebook. Now fourth example, in an arithmetic progression, the 19th term is in a 52, 38th term is in a 128. Find the sum of the first 56 terms. That is in a sum of the 56 terms means yes, 56 is equal to question mark. This we are going to find. We know the formula, that is Sn is equal to that is n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now here a value also we don't know, d also we don't know, but we know the n is an 56. Yes, 56 is equal to 56 upon 2 in bracket 2a plus 56 minus 1 into d, which is equal to, you can do the cancellation here. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 1 remained, 2 8s are 16, that is in a 28 in bracket 2a plus 56 minus 1, that is in a 55 into d. This here we have completed, that we will write here equation number 1, that is S56 is equal to, this we got. Now here by condition here it is given We know the formula Tn is equal to A plus in bracket n minus 1 into D. This is our formula. Now T19 is equal to A plus in bracket 19 minus 1 into D. T19 we know that is an 52, which is equal to A plus 19 minus 1 is an 18D. 18D. This is an equation number 3 we can say. Now T38 is equal to A plus in bracket 38 minus 1 into D. So T38 it is given, T38 is 128, which is equal to A plus 38 minus 1 is 37D. This is an equation number 4. Now here adding equation 3 and 4. Add equation 3 and 4. After adding, what we will get now? See here, A plus 18D is equal to 52. A plus 37D is equal to 128. We have added this. Here we will get A plus A 2A plus 774 and 15 15 3 4 and 15 55D is equal to 9 10 5 6 7 and 1 8 and this 180. Now this is an equation number 5. Now here equation 1 and 5 if you will see, here we will get S56 is equal to 28 into 2A plus 55D, that is 180, from 1 and 5. From 1 and 5. So here S56 is equal to 180 into 28, that we will get 5040. This is the sum of the 56 terms. So here you can get the screenshot and write in your notebook. Here, that is fifth one, complete the following activity to find the sum of the natural numbers between 1 to 140 which are divisible by 4. It is an activity, it is given on the page number 72 from the practice set 3.3 from that fifth example. For the numbers between 1 to 140 which are divisible by 4, it is given 4, 8, dash 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 136. Here T1 is equal to A is equal to 4. Common difference D is equal to 8 minus 4, that is 4. And Tn is given here, Tn is equal to 136. Now we know the formula, Tn is equal to A plus in bracket n minus 1 into D. This is our formula. So here Tn is 136, which is equal to A is 4 plus in bracket n minus 1 into D is 4. Now 4 in bracket n minus 1 is equal to 136 minus 4. This plus 4 shifted to the other side, it becomes a minus 4. So 4 in bracket n minus 1 is equal to 132. We will get 132. So now here n minus 1 is equal to 132 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, 1 remain, 4 threes are 12, that is n minus 1 is equal to 33. Therefore, here n is equal to 33 minus 1 shifted to the other side, it becomes a plus 1. So n is equal to 34. Now here we got now n is equal to 34. Now we want to find the sum. We want to find the sum of the natural numbers between 1 to 140. That is n value we got here now. N is equal to 34. And here T1 is equal to 4. And Tn is equal to 136. Tn is an 136. So here yes, n is equal to n upon 2 in bracket T1 plus Tn. By using this formula also we can solve now here. You can put the values now. Yes, n is an 34. So S34 is equal to 34 upon 2 into Tn is an 4 plus Tn is an 136. So 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14. Yes, 34 is equal to 17 into, now you can multiply this both now here. That is 136 plus 4, 4, 6, that is 10, 3 and 1, 4, that is 140. So S34 is equal to 17 into 140, that is 2380. This we got the answer. That is a sum of the numbers between 1 to 140 which are divisible by 4 is 2380.